How to find draft post on Instagram. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you find draft post on Instagram. So then to begin with, first of all, open the Instagram application and log in. Next, tap onto the profile menu from the bottom of the page. And then you could simply tap on the plus button from the top of the page and go to the Reels section. Now, what I'm going to do is here, simply, I'm going to go ahead and select the photo. Now, let's say we're just going with the photo, all right? So tap onto the next button. And when you click on the photos button, there you have the save draft option. Now then, you could go and click on it. And to find it, so you just need to go to the home page over here. And then you could just click on the Reels section. And then you could find the draft over here as well. So once again, I'm going to simply refresh this up and then click on it, and once you go to the draft section, there you have a draft. So this is how you could find a draft post on Instagram. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.